Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yeah, let's go over today. Let's go over what happened today, what I'm also looking at, possibly end of day. And yeah, so one second, I'm going to pull up the chat here. Well, the other chat at least. And then I will tell the Discord we're on live. So one second here. Alright. Cool. Yo, good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate it all tuning back in. So yeah, what a great day. We ended up getting to these swings. They ended up working. Obviously one of them didn't, but we'll go over it. So TikTok live now at everyone. Let's go. So yeah, the last end of day live stream. Pretty much closing out this week. At least one weekend swing. That's what I'm looking at forward to today. So we'll go over it, Tesla the cues. We'll go over pretty much everything, what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. And yeah, let's go over it. So we'll start with the cues. And I'll be honest, yeah, you know, I charted this this morning. We had this clear move up, no consolidation. This is what I wanted to the downside here. As you can see, the cues had other plans. Like I said, we could end up continuing off this box, which we did. And no, I'll be honest, I did not get into this trade. But yeah, I can see that we are getting that nice continuation there. With obviously nothing to stop us there. So yeah, upside, let's see. Yeah, I will be honest, there's just really absolutely nothing to stop us to that upside. Not saying get in, obviously, you know, we could end up reversing, but I will say we could end up continuing, but we do have more empty space once we can build some structure. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there, which doesn't look too bad. All right, so now let's keep going here. So that was on the cues. Let's see. All right, we'll go over NVIDIA. IWM2. Yo, Jay, what's up? Good to see you. So what? IWM, and then yeah, we did the cues. Cool. So for this one, this is another one that I did one earlier today, and we did have this clear gap up. So this still looks good once we can get it. And no, not selling anyone to get into any trades, anything like that. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. But yeah, what I can see is, yeah, we do have this nice clear gap up. Right now, we've been in this box, the whole entire day. So literally, like, the whole day. We almost had it earlier today, this morning. We could not get a close under. So, do want to see if we can get that nice break below. Yo, Jake, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Honestly, I'm thinking about a few. I was looking at SMCI, but I don't think we're going to get that as of now. But everything will be posted, though, as well. Yo, Toyota guy and Mike, what's up? Good to see you guys. So, ORCL. All right, cool. So, ORCL, we'll go over Tesla. We'll go over Amazon. What we did on Tesla, what I'm also looking for. All right, so IWM, I will say, we ended up getting a nice break under. We started going down. Looks like, yeah, we ended up creating a new box on a lower time frame. So yeah, we ended up creating another box here. I would want to see if we can go back into this 239 and get that rejection, so we can finish this downside movement here. So that's what I'm seeing. Obviously, we created another box, looking to target into this empty space. So if we do end up going back up, that 239.74 is what I'm seeing there. All right, so IWM, honestly, yeah, I do want to see if we can finish that downside though. Looks really good. So I will say, yeah, this is the one I went over, but I didn't end up getting in. Maybe I should have, but you know, it's cool, it's fine. We had a lot of other trades that did great. This was obviously a very big move here. or pretty decent, in other words. We did have this clear, so we did this on a 2 hour actually. So yeah, we do have this clear gap up, no consolidation here. This is what I would want to the downside. And of course, we ended up breaking under this bottom wall. If we do touch this, this 285, that will be that first TP there. And then those runners will be those 241. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on ORCL. All right, so so the two swings that ended up working out today, and yes, I know Tesla was absolutely great, and you can see what one member did there. You can see before, the aftermath, and I do want to go over it. And it was a great day. You can see what one member did there. It was a wild day. So this morning, we didn't end up touching my first TP yet, but at open we ended up exploding into those first and those final TPs. So honestly, I was fine with that 383, but we did end up hitting that 394 my final. Take profit there. What I can see next is, all right, so above that 403 area on that monthly time frame, see something there, but honestly, so yeah, we ended up getting that nice break outside this wall here. Yo, Vincent, what's up? And Pat, what's up, guys? Can I do hood? Yeah, no worries. We can definitely go over that. So we tapped it perfectly right. This is where we are rejecting. I will say, yeah, if we can build some more structure, I would love to take that to the downside. So yeah, each trade literally the same. We don't change anything at all. You can see Tesla that ended up doing that thing there. So yeah, beautiful move. So I would wait for more structure. I'm not gonna touch that. I'm done with Tesla. But yeah, other than that, it was a great trade. Yo, Chad, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. So what, Nike? All right, cool. We'll go over that. And also, hold on. So NKE and also, hold on, wrong one. HOD. All right, cool. So for Amazon, same exact thing. If it'll load. We had a clear gap up, no consolidation, and you can see even in my my Discord here what we ended up swinging literally yesterday. So yesterday for our swings today, obviously Amazon puts, you can see where we were. We tapped that final TP first and that final. It took some time, I will be honest, and then also Tesla. And yeah, gap ended up didn't work out, but the other two did. That's all. That's it. We tapped that final TP perfectly. Ended up going back up into that. We might go to that 228, but that's what I'm seeing there. Personally, on a higher time frame, the move that I will be looking at next is this. So let's see. So we do have a nice little 2 hour. So yeah, 2 hour chart here. And yeah, this is exactly what I would want. So I will keep an eye on this. We do have what? Top wall, bottom wall here. Inside the middle, we do have this empty space that looks really good. If we can get this entry, it looks good. So yes, what do we have? Clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. So same thing, how we caught this to the downside here. We ended up breaking below our wall. I ended up swinging it, and yeah, we ended up getting a little bit of turbulence, some trouble. I told the team I'm just gonna hold it out. I know how Amazon loves to play around a bit. We ended up flushing, and yeah, that. So yeah, that was great. That was a great one. So my next move will be there. I don't think we'll get it today. If we do, from power hour, you know, maybe we could, but I don't think so. All right, so Nike HOD. Honestly, I was waiting on this one. I still like it a lot. So yes, as of right now, let's see. Let's see. 1 second here. 1 second here, guys. All right. So as of right now, I did want this earlier today. Still want it end of day if we can get it, but yeah, we do have this clear gap up, no consolidation. And before you've seen all that, let's actually fix this so you can see my screen a little bit better. We did have what? Empty space under us. We almost got the entry, but we could not get a candle closure on that 2 hour, which I was waiting for, not even on a 1 hour. So I'll be waiting for that nice little move down. So, you know, it looks exactly like Amazon, right? Literally looks exactly like. We have the clear gap up, no consolidation. Same thing with HOD, clear gap up, no consolidation. We have the POTTERBOX, looking for a break under my bottom wall there. And if we can, yeah, I'll be looking for that nice little play. So something like this. And same way that we ended up catching it. Like, it was a beautiful move. You can even see one of the members. This is a perfect example of there's always another opportunity. I missed Tesla, but hit Amazon. So if, you know, you don't end up making one play, or if you miss one play, it's fine. You can always find another entry there. So that's what I'm looking at there. I don't know if we'll get it though. I don't think so, but I will keep an eye on it. What I can also see is this. Yes, we do have a nice, another box there. So another area of consolidation. So yeah, we created some more consolidation here. If we can get above this top level, this top wall, I would be looking for it. Entry up to this green candle. So that looks really good. So yes, from the entry to exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So that is on HOD. And yes, this is the little gap that I'm talking about there. So HOOD. Honestly, yeah, if we can get down, if we can somehow do something crazy in the last 20 minutes or so, that's what I'm seeing there. Yo, Fritz, what's up, man? So BMNR, we got to go over a Nike too. BMNR and then AMAT. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, we'll definitely go over that. Yo, great guy, what's up? What's up? Yo, Chim, what's up, guys? Hello, you don't read the chats. Dude, I will be honest, if you're in the other chat, sometimes I forget to look over. So, my bad, I'll start looking at that as well. Yo, Vincent, what's up, my guy? Good to see you, bro. And yeah, no worries, man. Alright, so AMAT, I will say, yes, we do have this what? Clear gap down, no consolidation here. I feel like, and it still doesn't look bad to me, we still have this empty space that is above us. If we can finish it, I feel like it will take a lot of time. Still looks pretty good to me. And I can also see that we did end up creating another box there. And if we can get that nice break outside of that 170 area, that 170 range, we do have the empty space above us. Yo, Peyton, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Dude, wild day. It was a wild day, and all I had to do was hold my trades. That was it. Like, I will say, yeah, Tesla just ended up exploding. Right when market opened. Amazon, I will be honest, it gave me a little bit of trouble at first, but we finally ended up hitting that final TP as well. So yeah, overall it was a great day, great week, and you could also see what a lot of the other members ended up doing today. Shout out to Wyatt. He's been doing really good too as well. Honestly, SMCI upwards. So yeah, I do like SMCI. I will be honest, and I'm still waiting on it. Honestly, so I saw this this morning. I liked it a lot. One day I'll be as wealthy in money as knowledge as you. Dude, you got it, man. Just keep up the great work. Like, and yes, just make sure, do your own research, not financial advice or anything. But I've seen a lot of people, like, in the Discord when they first started to, like, what they're doing now. Like, McCain, he's been doing great. Fabby's been doing great. Like, a lot of the other members, too, as well. But, yeah, just keep at it, man, for sure. Yo, Kova, what's up? Yeah, we'll go over SMCI too as well. What trading platform do you prefer? Honestly, I like Webull. TradeStation is pretty nice too as well. Those are my main ones that I do. Like, obviously, yes, I've dabbled in a few other ones as well. I know how to use a couple other ones as well. But yeah, those are my main ones. I don't have a problem with them at all. Alright, so SMCI, what I'm seeing here, honestly, it was looking good this morning, and I think at open we ended up just crashing down, so still waiting on that 24-hour candle closure. If we end up breaking above that 46.51 area, I will be looking for that next empty space move. So I was actually favoriting this one this morning. Still am though, but it looks really good. You showed me something on that Amazon play because it would have scared. Yo, Pap, what's up, bro? Yeah, I mean, I think I remember I traded, I forgot what time it was, but I traded Amazon. It was, I think it was a couple weeks ago, and we got in. I just noticed that it likes to play around a bit before it likes to give what I want. So you can see this morning we ended up, it was pre-market. We ended up gabbing into this cost base here. I told the team, I said, look, if we don't reject here, I gotta get out. And we ended up rejecting underneath that cost basis. We touched that first TP there, and I was like, I do want that 226, so I did want my final target. We ended up doing just that, and I can't make it up. We tapped it perfectly. Like, I can't make it up. So you can see, hold on, where is it at? Where are you at? Where are you at? There you go. So you can see the before picture. That final was this 226. So 226.28. We end up tapping that 226.28 literally perfectly. I can't make it up. so yeah, it was a wild day. It was a great day for sure. Gave some trouble, but it's all good. Yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. All right, so, and you can see even what we did all week. So this is why I tell the members, yo, just relax. If the play hits, cool. If it doesn't, just we'll have to stop out and find a new entry, find something else. And you can see, I told the team members, just relax and just ride it out, and it ended up paying off. So you can see also crazy week. One member made 10 bands, 10K today or this week, and that was on Wednesday. So, and you can also see, hold on, let's see. One second. You can see also one member there. Amazon hit final TP. Glad I held. So this was, we had to hold this for a couple hours for sure. But yeah, ended up being nice. All right, so BMNR, AMAT, we got to go over that. We didn't go over Nike. Ooh, Nike looks good too. All right, so we'll go over this as well. MSFT got you, bro. Let's see. So MSFT, yeah, beautiful day. Oh, dude, I gotta look at the other chat. So you want to look at coin? Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. All right, so Microsoft, what I can see here is this. Honestly, I think we ended up hitting this. Yeah, we ended up hitting this imbalance first. I still like it though. I still would end up trading it if we can to get this entry. Let's see. Oh wait, hold on. Wait, scratch that, scratch that. Let's see. Let's look at this really quickly. So I did see that 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, hold on, I gotta turn that back on. That actually doesn't look terrible. That actually looks pretty good. Hold on one second. Let me turn this back on. All right, cool. So yeah, right now, let's see. I'll try it out really quickly. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. 521. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it doesn't look bad there, I will say. Where's my pen at? Where's my pen? I don't have my pen. Oh man. Dude, I gotta get a I'll use a color. Actually, I got it right here. I'm sure. I swear I lose my pen like every day. All right, so MSFT. Microsoft. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. I'll see how that plays out end of day. So BMNR, let's take a look. Yeah, it is pretty much skyrocketing here, from what I can see. BMNR actually doesn't look bad. I do like that 24-hour. Yo, Pat, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Let's see. Let's go to this 24-hour and okay, cool. So we still have a little bit of empty space here that I can easily see. Top wall, bottom wall there. As you can see, yeah, right above us looks really good. We end up getting that nice break. We have empty space that is currently above us. And, you know, it doesn't look bad. It looks, honestly, pretty good. So, yes, entry, exit. We end up getting that break middle of the move. We have that empty space there, which honestly doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. CRWV bought off. CRWV got off that 104 support. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look at that too as well. All right, so we did that. We got to look at Nike, AMAT. We did SMCI. Microsoft, not looking bad. Okay, so we did this on a 24-hour. I'm pretty sure. So 24-hour. 4-hour does look too good as well. What should I enter in right now? Yo, Nick, what's up? Personally, for me, I'm not entering into anything until the last hour. That's at least for my swing trade. So I'm looking at a few of them, but I'm not entering into anything as of this second. Shout out to Nick for the follower. Appreciate it. And Fritz, got you with AI too. Yeah, no worries. But yeah, we'll go over a lot of these stocks as well. So no worries about it. So yeah, we do have this clear gap up, no consolidation. What I can see here, top wall there. I just wish this was a little better for bottom wall, I will say. So it looks like we almost got it. But yeah, if we can get this break below, personally, yes. Definitely want to try it down to that 61 area. So maybe I'll try it down to 61. But I'll have a trim there. I'll have a definitely trim there. But yeah, right now, for me at least, it's not ready. Let's see. I mean, it looks good. I like it. But we're still inside this, POTTERBOX. I get it. We're holding underneath this cost basis. which could end up pushing us down, but it doesn't look too bad. Yo, Nick, really appreciate it, man. Yo, Stinky, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good afternoon. Yeah, let's see. AMAT, SMCI, BMNR. Okay, BMNR doesn't look bad. Let's see. AMAT. Okay. Let's see. So, okay, yeah, we literally just did this. Okay, yeah. So we did end up creating another box here. We are inside of this empty space that is above us. Do want to see if we can get that nice break outside of our top level, this 170 area. So yeah, honestly looks good. Looks really good. And if we can get a break out that 170, we do have a lot of that empty space above us that, you know, looks really good. All right, so we did Nike, we did BMNR. Let's see here. AI. Okay. CRWV. Perfect. And yeah, today was a great day. Today was an amazing day. Also, not even just today, but you can scroll through and see what we did this week. Shout out Jesus. You can see also what a few of the members ended up doing. UNH was beautiful. We end up getting into entries, into the trades. If they work, they work. If they don't, I get stopped out, which is fine. You can see the plays that did end up hitting for us today. Crazy week. So you can see what one member made, 10K just this week. Shout out to my guy Wyatt. This was what? This was 2 days ago. You fast forward to now. My guy is going crazy. So, you know, we're just focusing on that higher time frame setup. We're looking for the bigger picture, and I'm looking for that bigger move as well. Yo, Shanu, what's up, man? I need to get put on, dude, man. It was wild, bro. Yeah, we ended up catching that Tesla. You could see that before. A lot of the members ended up making that bag there today. Let's see. Snow. Yeah, got you. Okay, let's pull it up. And yes, honestly, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We do have the free chat. The free chat is there. Everyone there is really cool. We do have that VIP code inside the free chat that will be ending today too as well. What do you trade? Yo, Candace, what's up? Yeah, I trade options. So yeah, inside of the Discord, we mainly trade options. Obviously, I could take on futures too as well, but yeah, mainly options. And we hold our trades. We wait for those valid confirmation, and once we wait, we get in. This is what we do here. All right, so I just read her whole username. All right, so AMAT, we did that. Walmart, got you. Snow, we got to go over CRWV as well. Okay. So yeah, we'll go over Snow first. So yeah, welcome to the live stream. So yeah, everyone here is pretty cool. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you have anything to say, if you want to roast me, whatever, it's cool. Just drop it in the comments. All right, so actually, I do like Snow. Snow looks really good. We do have this. Actually, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Maybe I should write that down too. Let's see. Snow. So yeah, I can see that easily we have a nice clear area of consolidation. And what looks good to me is that, yes, I would love to see if we can get a nice little break under this 218 area. If we can, I will be looking for that next resistance, which is down to that 204.98. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what looks good to me. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, that's what I like on Snow. That's what I see. That's on a 4-hour. If I took this on a 24-hour, maybe I would try it under that 222.03. All right, so WMT. What do you say? I'm in Walmart swings. So yeah, I will be honest. Yeah, Walmart ended up doing exactly. It hit my target. So, am I in this trade? No, I'm not in this trade. But, and I'll be honest, I don't even remember charting this one. We were in a couple other ones, so I totally forgot. But yeah, we ended up getting that nice break. We went straight into the empty space. I will say my first and final target did end up getting hit. That 103. Maybe if we can stay above that 103.92, we could potentially touch that 105.78. That's what I'm seeing there. All right, so CRWV. Let's take a look here. So let's see. Hello, Desmond. My name. Wait, he called me Desmond. No, my name is Lee. My name isn't Desmond. But yeah, shout out to whoever Desmond is. All right, so yeah, CRWV. I will be honest, this was a perfect play. We end up punching back. Obviously, could have taken that cost spaces entry, but we ended up having another entry there. We broke above that top level. We end up going into that empty space, touching that first. We rejected off that imbalance, I will say. What I would look at now is this. So let's just pretend that didn't happen. Top wall there, bottom wall here. We end up getting a nice break above our top level. We do have this empty space that is currently above us, so it doesn't look too bad. Our call 104 was waiting. Oh, Fireman, yeah, keep up the great work. Yo, Riri, what's up? What's up? Missed that today? All good, no worries. So, I mean, if you end up missing one play, there'll always be another play here. And actually, one of my members, let's see, he ended up missing what? I think he missed Tesla, the Tesla play that we ended up having. But he actually caught the Amazon play. He was like, this is the perfect example of there's always another opportunity. I missed Tesla, but hit Amazon. And Amazon hit my TP perfectly. Wow, snow looks really good though. So that's what I'm seeing there. CRWV. Yeah, we'd love to see if we can get that push. Just getting started, such a fun range to trade daily. If you, dude, I think, bro, when I think you were one of the first people that told me to look at this when I first started the live streams. So yeah, I have seen the moves for sure. So yeah, a lot of people do end up love trading this for sure. All right, so what I can see here, let's see, and alright, so as of right now, thanks for the follows. Appreciate all the likes, guys and gals. We appreciate it. So, yeah, I still like it. As you can see here, maybe I should put an alert there. So, it looks great. I will say, yes, we do have this clear gap down, no consolidation here. This is what I would want to take to this upside. As you can see, we couldn't even claim the floor yet, so no entry on that. I do want to see if we can potentially, thanks for the heart, means really appreciate it. Get above this 1871 area. If we can get a nice candle body closure above that, or hold above this 1772, we do have this empty space above us, and it looks good. So more of a waiting game for me. Same thing like what we had. I wanted NVIDIA puts here, and Obviously, there will be times where I get starters if, you know, I feel like it will go. But for this one, we were underneath our wall here. We could not get a close. We could not push further. So I just waited for that. If I didn't wait, I would have had to get stopped out, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, looking for that nice close too as well. So yeah, if we just stay in range, I'm not going to do anything. Microsoft doesn't look too bad though. So yeah, we'll have to see how all these other moves end up playing out. All right, so now let's keep on going. So that was on WMT. And yeah, literally all the plays in my Discord are exactly alike, exactly the same. What we did here this week, you can see we're focusing on that bigger time frame picture. You can see the day trades. We just wait for the setups. If we can get them, cool. If we can't, that's fine as well. But we're focusing on that higher time frame. You can see just joined again Monday. Already got money worth. And this was what? Wednesday? So we're focusing on that higher time frame. Obviously, it's not an issue if one contract or 1,000 contracts, as long as those targets can hit. You know, these are the type of plays I'm looking for. So AMD, what we did there. Crazy week. Shout out to Stinger. Shout out to all the other members here as well. And yeah, it's been wild. It's been a wild day, wild week. So I do want to just possibly get in one weekend swing. Mainly had that fresh start Monday, but yeah, I'll get into a weekend swing, maybe a lotto play. Let's see how everything plays out. So that's pretty much my standpoint with everything. Doesn't look too bad there. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. But yes, guys, gals, I will be getting off now. BA, where are we at? Hold on, give me a second here. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. I'm going to work on some swings end of day. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy the weekend and have a nice fresh start Monday. And yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join. Link is in the bio. We have the free chat. You can see what we do here. We also have the VIP chat. This is where we do all the work. So yes, link is in the bio for the Discord. We do have that 30% off that will be ending today too as well. So you can see that in the free chat as well. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Hope you all have a blessed one. See you all either in the Discord or on my Sunday live. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.